Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use the inbuilt summarizing as well as AI chat feature in YouTube. So let's get started. So first thing, just play the video which you want to summarize, and here near the share and download option we are having a ask icon with Gemini logo. Just select it, and here we can ask any questions from the video, and by default it is also giving us multiple options like this. So I will just go and click summarize the video. So as you can see here, it has literally summarized the video, and it is also giving us some important points mentioned in the video along with their timestamp. So if I click this timestamp, it will directly take me to that part in the video. And apart from this, you can ask any questions related to that video and Gemini will answer it for you. So I'm not sure if this particular feature is available for all the videos. If it is, you can just make use of it. And not only in the browser, this feature is available in the mobile phone also. So exactly the same steps. In the mobile phone, it's appearing near the share icon. You can click it and you can ask to summarize or ask any questions from that video, and we'll be getting the response. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.